How to fix maximum number of attempts to reach TikTok. So let's get started. Firstly, open the App Store in your mobile device or Google Play Store in your Android. Then simply search for the TikTok. And once searched, if there is an update option available right next to it, then simply tap on the update and download the latest version of TikTok. An outdated version of the app may cause errors like this. Ensure you are running the latest version of the TikTok. After that, simply go to the Settings app on your mobile device, and inside the Settings app, tap on the General. Then inside General, simply tap on the iPhone storage option available there. Then inside iPhone storage, scroll down and look for the TikTok app from the listed apps there. Once you tap on the TikTok app, you can see the Offload app option available there. Simply offload the TikTok app and reinstall it. After you do so, simply try again for the login attempt in TikTok. Also, make sure that you are having a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Sometimes poor network connection can cause login attempts to fail repeatedly. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.